Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a loan on your Discover online banking mobile app. So if you want to really apply for a loan to your Discover bank but don't want to really go to the bank and take in with all the hustles and want to do it online, this is what you can do. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Discover online banking or the mobile banking app on your device. After that, open it up. When you open it up, you will land on an interface like this where you'll be asked to enter your user ID and your password in order to log into your account. But since you're trying to apply for a certain loan, tap on the quick view option. You can just swipe it up and then tap on view accounts option below the open an account. After doing that, as you scroll downwards, you'll be able to see the different loan options over here, including personal loan, your home equity loan, your mortgage refinance loan, and also your student loan. So choose a particular loan that you'd like to apply for. Here, I'm just going to tap on a personal loan and then tap on continue in order to view the page that you're actually trying to get directed towards. So wait for a certain while until the page completely loads. After the page completely loads, you'll be shown different information on how to design your loan. So for this, what you can do is you can scroll through and see different forms of information that are given to you already. Now, after you get through here and check your rate and also get started in minutes, and then your funds will get sent to you really fast. So this is basically how you can land on this page. And after you land on this page, you'll be able to apply for your personal loan on Discover online banking service. So here, tap on how do I apply for a personal loan again. And after you do that, you'll be guided with certain steps and then tap on get started now. After you tap on get started now, you will now be directed towards another interface where you'll have to enter different information in regards to how much loan you need and other different information in order to apply for the loan to the Discover online banking service. So here, you'll have to start off with how much money do you need. So how much amount is the amount that you're requiring as a loan? Type it in here. And you also have to type in what's the purpose of your loan application. You also have to select the loan term and then a few more details about you, including your first name, your middle initial name, your last name, your suffixes that you use, your street address, your apartment or suite options, your city, the state, zip code, your preferred phone number, your email address. And after you've given all of this information, make sure you also tick these terms and conditions. And after doing all of these, tap on the continue button. After you tap on the continue button, a few more proceedings till the step 3, and then your application for the loan to the Discover online banking will have been sent. So this is basically how it works. It's a very simple process, and I hope that I have been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.